So I managed to get it in another Huawei store in Chongqing, and we have here the new Huawei Ultimate Design MateBook Fold. As you can see here, 18-inch kind of screen, very nice, very thin, has even a keyboard attachment if you want to, and yeah, USB Type-C port there, speakers, fingerprint scanner, another USB Type-C port here, and that's it basically. And you are able to put it upwards like this. And then you can even fold it if you want to, like this. So very cool. And you can just open it up like this, and then you have to press your fingers there, or you can just put the attachment on, and then it automatically detects the attachment, and you can use your mouse and keyboard to just write something or do stuff. Like I could do stuff here. It's running HarmonyOS 5 for the PC, as you see here, 50305. Probably gets an update in a few days. Huawei MateBook Fold Ultimate Design. And what you can do is you can also go to your app gallery, and there, if you want Windows, there is an application called OS Easy, and this is basically a virtual machine for running Windows. So yes, you can run Windows applications here on this, and you can switch easily by just touching 3 fingers here and swiping over from HarmonyOS to Windows. As you can see here, the basic default layout is just like Windows. Reminds me a lot of Windows. We have a start menu here as well. You can see all the applications, or you have a full screen start menu dock that reminds me a bit of macOS. There's Senior built in, and allows you to do certain things as well with the keyboard there. And you can ask it questions with the AI, which is quite interesting. There's a possibility in settings under design to switch from this design to another icon design, for example. It will take a while if you want to, but there's also the possibility to switch to a more macOS design where you have the top bar. Not sure if this is doing it. Maybe somewhere else it allows you to do this. But these are several of those settings here. As you can see here, this is available in Chinese. There are some accessibilities here that show you how to use the touchpad and so on. So very, very interesting design. Very thin kind of design. If you want to have a virtual keyboard, let me do it quickly. Just press 2 hands with your 5 fingers on, and then you have a virtual keyboard, as you can see here. Maybe you hear it even. It has some tactile feedback as well, and it has also some noise input as well, so output. You can also like use those keys here, special keys, to do certain things. So yeah, very, very interesting device, I would say. And here you can see the price. The price is a bit high, but it's a very, very unique kind of device, at least in this kind of very thin shell. We had something from Lenovo before, but they never managed to do it so thin as Huawei is doing it with the MateBook Fold.